Experience the essence of Brazilian festivities with this extended batida recipe. A vibrant cocktail that embodies the joy and spirit of Brazil's rich culture. Batida, which translates to shaken in Portuguese, is a versatile and beloved cocktail that marries the smoothness of cacha with the tropical flavors of fresh fruit juice, creating a refreshing and irresistible blend. Ingredients: 2 ounces of cacha, Brazilian sugarcane liquor, 3 ounces of fresh fruit juice, passion fruit, coconut water, lime, or mango are popular choices, 1 tablespoon of sugar adjust to taste. Ice cubes, optional, sweetened condensed milk for a creamier texture, use 1 ounce if desired. Garnish: fruit slices matching the juice used or fresh mint leaves. Instructions: 1. Prepare the fruit juice. If using fresh fruits, blend the fruit to create a smooth juice. For a more authentic taste, passion fruit or coconut water are highly recommended due to their quintessential Brazilian flavors. 2. Mix ingredients. In a blender, combine the cacha, fresh fruit juice, sugar, and ice cubes. If you're opting for a creamier batida, add sweetened condensed milk to the mix. The condensed milk adds a silky texture and balances the acidity of the fruit juice. 3. Blend until smooth. Blend the ingredients until the mixture is smooth and frothy. The ice should be fully crushed, creating a chill and refreshing cocktail. 4. Serve. Pour the batida into chilled glasses. The cocktail should be served immediately to enjoy its cool and refreshing taste to the fullest. 5. Garnish and enjoy. Garnish with a slice of fruit or a sprig of mint. The garnish not only adds a decorative touch, but also enhances the cocktail's aroma and flavor. Serving suggestions: batida is perfect for summer parties, beach gatherings, or as a festive treat during Brazilian Carnival. It's a versatile cocktail that can be customized with various fruit juices, making it a hit among guests with different taste preferences. Cultural note: batida is a testament to Brazil's love for cacha and tropical fruits, showcasing the country's culinary creativity and its penchant for celebration. Each sip offers a taste of Brazil's tropical paradise, making it more than just a cocktail, it's an experience. Embrace the extended Brazilian batida recipe, a celebration in a glass that brings the flavors and joy of Brazil to your home. Whether you're hosting a party or simply indulging in a moment of tropical bliss, batida is sure to delight and refresh.